Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 4, and the chapter name is The Plateau and the Desert Regions. So if you have the book, then please open page number 26, Chapter 4. If you don't have the book, then no problem, but please buy it as soon as possible. So, and put your pencil also, so whatever I told you to underline, you also underline. So once the online class will over, you will go through the chapter, and then you will just what you can read the chapter, and you can learn also whatever I told you to underline, because it will help you when you will go in the higher class. And I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and please enjoy your quality time with your family members. Don't go outside, because we know that we are in very pandemic virus and disease like COVID-19. So it's better that we can enjoy our quality time with the family members, and we can enjoy the online classes as well as. And you can enjoy like playing the ludos, caroms, video games. You can read the book also. Then you can complete your homework also. And whatever the homework you are receiving, please complete down it in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting. And I hope that you will not get any problem to complete your holiday homework and vacation and project work. So once the school will open, I will ask the project work, and these all homework, so you have to show me. So let's start the chapter. So I am reading, you also read with me. Now in this chapter, we'll study the plateau and the desert regions of India. What we will learn? We will study about the plateau and about the desert region of India. So let's start the chapter. The first topic is what? It's the plateau region. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it. It is also called a table land. You can underline from here a plateau. So a plateau is what? A plateau is an area. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it, which is land is there, then which is higher than the land. So it is also called what? It is also called a table land. Once I am repeating, you also just match it. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land, It is also called a table land. It is also called a table land. Next is what? The plateau region of India. It extends from the south of the northern plains to the southern tip of India. And the plateau region, from where it extends from the south of the northern plains. It extends from the south of the northern plains and to the south tip of India. There are several hill ranges in the plateau region. There are many hill ranges are there in the plateau region. First is, you can underline. I am also underlining from the 1, 2, 3 from the fourth line. The Aravalli range in the northwest. You can underline from here. The Aravalli range in the northwest. The Rajmahal hills in the northeast, and the Eastern Ghats in the east, and the Western Ghats in the west. Again I am repeating. So there are many several hills ranges are there in the plateau region. So the first is what? Aravalli range. Aravalli range in the north or west, means it between the north and west. So it's the northwest. The Rajmahal Hills, it is in the north and east, northeast. The Eastern Ghat, east is there, then eastern Ghats are there. So the Eastern Ghats, it is in the east, and the Western Ghats, and the Western Ghats is in the west. Next also you can underline like that. The region is rocky and uneven. The area what, it's very rocked is there. So it's what, it's a rocky and uneven also there. Now the states, you can underline that which states are there in the North Plateau region. So you can underline the states of Gujarat, the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and the eastern part of Kerala lies in this region. In which region? In the Plateau region. Again I am repeating, please you can underline these all the states which lies in the Plateau region. Which states? The states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and the eastern part of Kerala. It all lies where? In the Plateau region. Next topic is what? Next is what? The river Narmada divides the plateau. The river Narmada, you can underline this one also. The river Narmada divides, from the you can underline, the river Narmada divides the plateau region into two parts. First the Central Highlands, it is in the north, and the Deccan Plateau, it is in the south. The Deccan Plateau, it is in the south. So the river, the Narmada river, it divides the plateau region in two parts. It divides the plateau region in two parts. First is what? The Central Highlands, it is in the north, and the Deccan Plateau, it is in the south. So let's go through the first, the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands, it includes the Malwa Plateau in central India. It includes what? Malwa Plateau, and it is in what? It is in central India. And the Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is in the east. And the Chota Nagpur, it is in the east. The rivers Chambal, Betwa and Son originate in the Central Highland. You can underline from the river. These all are the rivers which it is in the Central Highlands. The river Chambal, Betwa and Son, it originates in the Central Highlands. They flow northwards. It flows from where? It flows from the northwards and join the Ganga and Yamuna. So the Central Highlands, what? It flows, these all is the rivers, it flows from what? From the northward and join the river Ganga and Yamuna. The Narmada and the Tapi rivers begin in the Vindhya Hills and flow westwards to the Arabian Sea. And the Narmada and Tapi rivers, it flows into the Vindhya Hills, and it flows from where? It flows to the westwards in the into the Arabian Sea. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. You can underline this line sentence. The Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. So if the Malwa Plateau, what? It bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas, it is in the south. And here is what? It has fine black soil. Here is what? We can find the black soils which make what? Which make for growing the cotton and oil seeds. Cotton and oil seeds. Now next sentence and topic we will go through the next video, like lecture number 2. Then we will start the new topic. Thank you and have a nice day. Please watch the next video.